Ever wondered where to find a YouTube channel that feels like a breath of fresh air amidst the sea of sameness? A space where curiosity, creativity, and engagement are celebrated? Well, the search might just be over. Welcome to a channel that prides itself on being different, on being a cut above the rest. It's a place where we don't just watch or listen, we explore, we discover, and we grow together. A channel that's as unique as you are. How, you ask? Well, this channel has a few tricks up its sleeve. It's not just about presenting content, it's about creating experiences. Here, every video is a journey, every story is a world waiting to be unraveled. This channel is a celebration of diversity, of thoughts, ideas, and perspectives. It's a place where everyone's voice matters, where every opinion counts. It's like a digital coffee house where we can all gather to discuss, debate, and delve into the depths of various topics. Moreover, this channel is a platform for learning and growth. It's a place where we can all broaden our horizons and challenge our perceptions. It's a space where we can all become better versions of ourselves. And let's not forget the most important part. It's a channel that listens. Your feedback, your suggestions, your ideas, they all shape the content here. It's a channel that's driven by you, for you. To summarize, this channel is a melting pot of ideas, a playground for curiosity, a stage for discourse, and a platform for growth. It's a channel that's as dynamic, diverse, and distinctive as its audience. Feel a spark of curiosity? Why not click on that link and visit the channel? Don't forget to leave a comment or two. Let your voice be heard, let your ideas shape this space. So, here's to a journey of discovery, of learning, of growth. Here's to a YouTube channel that's not just another drop in the ocean but a wave that's ready to make a splash. Welcome aboard.